Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So I'm guessing you clicked this short because you want to learn how to get an item in Roblox Studio from just a click of a button. Well, I'm here to show you how to do that in just 4 simple, easy steps. Alright, for the first step, you guys are gonna go over here to Server Script Service and add a script. In the script, you're gonna have to paste in this code. The code adds a coin stat that shows up on the leaderboard. Second step, go over to Replicated Storage, add a remote event, then rename the remote event to specifically give item. It has to have the same capitalization. For the third step, we're gonna have to go back over to Server Script Service, add another script, then paste in this code. This code makes it so that every time this event fires, you get 10 of the item that you want. Alright, for the fourth and final step, we're gonna have to go over to Starter GUI, insert a Screen GUI, and inside of the Screen GUI, we gotta add a text button. Inside of the button, add a local script. Inside of the local script, we're gonna have to paste in this code, which makes it so that every single time you click the button, you get the item that you want. Or in my case, coins. Let's test it out. Okay, as you guys can see in the leaderboard, my coins are going up, so that means that the script works. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. See you guys next time. Peace out.